Okay, you carry the fob in so the car knows we're here and ready to go. Got to be a button to push for the ignition. Look at this Formula One style steering wheel with all the buttons and things to play with here. So what do we push? Put our foot on the brake and the engine button here. Oh my God. That's enough to quicken any man's soul. Okay, I gotta put this down to go. Oh, jeez. And the top goes up. And it all works. Hotel California, Ferrari, top down. He knows what he's doing. He knows how to drive this thing.
Learn from the best.
Me, I'm super
Trained in a 1988 Acura Legend coupe.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, quite a ride, son. Quite a ride. It's just...
You want to do it up here?